Click on the link below to get price. The Gotrax R7 Electric Bike is a remarkable entry in the electric bike market, combining power, range, and practicality, making it an ideal choice for adults seeking a reliable mode of transportation. With its robust 750W motor, the R7 delivers impressive acceleration, allowing riders to reach a top speed of 25 miles per hour. This capability is particularly beneficial for those commuting through urban environments or tackling hills with ease. One of the standout features of the Gotrax R7 is its remarkable 45-mile range on a single charge. This distance is more than sufficient for daily commutes or leisurely rides, providing peace of mind for longer trips without the constant worry of running out of battery. The lithium-ion battery is easily removable, enabling convenient charging at home or in the office, which adds to the bike's user-friendly design. In terms of build quality, the R7 impresses with its sturdy aluminum frame, designed to withstand the rigors of everyday use. The bike features a comfortable ergonomic design, complete with a plush saddle and adjustable handlebars, making it suitable for riders of various heights. The inclusion of front and rear disc brakes enhances safety, ensuring effective stopping power even at high speeds. The bike also includes a bright LED headlight and a rear reflector, improving visibility during nighttime rides. Additionally, the 21-speed transmission system provides versatility, allowing riders to switch gears easily and adapt to different terrains. While the Gotrax R7 offers an exceptional combination of features, it's worth noting that it may feel slightly heavier than traditional bikes due to its motor and battery. However, the advantages far outweigh this minor inconvenience. Overall, the Gotrax R7 Electric Bike is an outstanding choice for those looking to blend functionality with fun, offering a smooth ride, impressive power, and extensive range. Whether for commuting or recreational riding, this bike stands out as a commendable investment in personal transportation.